Hi, welcome to part 3 of our video series on vacant home insurance and the problems and liabilities that homeowners carry when houses go empty or unoccupied for over a certain period of time, say 60 to 90 days. And this 5-part series is brought to you by the website vacanthomeinsurancenow.com. This is an interesting addition because we're going to talk about all the bad advice that people get when they're going to have an empty house or an occupied house for a certain period of time. And the advice comes from friends, family, neighbors, but it also comes from real estate agents. We can't use the word realtor. That's patented. So we will keep realtors out of this. We'll just talk about agents that deal in real estate. And it also comes from insurance agents. A lot of bad advice comes from these same insurance agents that write homeowners insurance policies. Now, of course, most agents know what they're doing, but there are many that will give you bad advice. So let's look at some situations. My company's sending me over to Europe for 4 or 5 months because I'm working on a big computer system and I'm leaving my townhouse empty or unoccupied. And somebody's going to give me the advice, don't tell the insurance company. You don't have to tell the insurance company. You'll be fine. Just have your neighbor hang a different wreath on the door every 2 weeks. This type of advice leads to a lot of denied claims and homeowners carrying a tremendous amount of liability. You have to inform the insurance company when the house is going to be empty or vacant. We recommend 60 days or longer. Most insurance companies will not continue coverage for this situation when someone's going to be overseas for 4 months and no one's living in the house. You might need a short-term specialty policy like a vacant home insurance policy. Other advice we hear from friends, family, agents, put a timer on, prop a TV up in front of the window, make it look lived in, put a different wreath on the door. All these things sound good. They violate the terms of most insurance policies in most states. When that $100,000 claim comes, it's not a good defense saying, well, you should pay my $100,000 claim because the neighbor was hanging a different Christmas wreath on the door. That is bad advice. You will need a specialty policy called vacant home insurance in most of these cases. And we hope this information has been helpful. It's a pretty black and white issue. It's very important to a lot of people, especially in these economic times. Thanks for tuning in and hope you watch parts 4 and 5.